Modern front yard landscaping is shifting toward cleaner layouts, calmer textures, and plants that stay attractive with minimal maintenance. A minimalist front yard is not about making the space empty. It is about choosing fewer elements that work better together. The right combination of structure, texture, and durable plants can make a front yard look modern throughout the entire year. Low-maintenance landscaping also reduces watering, trimming, and seasonal replacement. In this video, we explore practical minimalist landscaping ideas for modern homes, including ornamental grasses, evergreen structure plants, drought-tolerant selections, and balanced hardscape combinations. A minimalist front yard usually starts with strong visual structure. Straight pathways, geometric planting beds, gravel surfaces, and repeated plant groupings create a calm and organized appearance. One of the easiest ways to simplify a landscape is reducing the number of plant varieties. Instead of mixing too many colors and shapes, modern gardens often repeat the same plants in larger clusters. This creates rhythm and makes the space feel intentional. Boxwood remains one of the most popular structure plants for minimalist landscapes. Its dense evergreen growth provides year-round form and clean geometry. Boxwoods work well along pathways, beside entryways, and around modern concrete borders. Rounded boxwood shrubs soften sharp architectural lines without creating visual clutter. For lower maintenance, choose slow-growing, compact varieties that require less trimming throughout the year. Featherweed grass adds vertical movement while keeping a clean silhouette. This ornamental grass is widely used in modern landscaping because it stays upright even during winter. The narrow form works well beside driveways, black mulch beds, gravel gardens, and contemporary fences. Morning light and evening shadows also create strong texture from the grass plumes, adding movement without making the landscape feel crowded. Japanese maple is often used as a focal point in minimalist front yards. A single Japanese maple can completely change the atmosphere of a modern landscape. The layered branching structure creates softness while maintaining elegance. Red leaf varieties contrast beautifully against gray stone, white walls, and dark gravel surfaces. For low-maintenance landscapes, dwarf or slow-growing cultivars are usually the best choice. Blue fescue works well for adding texture close to the ground. The compact blue foliage creates contrast against concrete, pavers, and black mulch. Blue fescue requires very little watering once established and maintains a tidy shape naturally. Repeating small clumps throughout the front yard creates rhythm while keeping the design simple. Agave is commonly used in warm climate minimalist gardens. The sculptural leaf shape immediately creates a modern appearance. Agave works especially well in xeriscape landscapes, where low watering is important. Combining agave with gravel, large stones, and architectural lighting creates strong nighttime visual impact. Because of the sharp leaf edges, placement near walkways should be planned carefully. Hydrangea adds softness to minimalist landscapes without overwhelming the design. Modern gardens often use white hydrangea varieties because they brighten darker exterior materials. Panicle hydrangeas also provide long seasonal interest from summer into autumn. Limiting the color palette keeps the front yard cohesive and calm. Minimalist landscaping depends heavily on hardscape balance. Gravel surfaces reduce maintenance while improving drainage and visual cleanliness. Large concrete pavers with spacing between them create a modern pathway appearance. Black mulch, river rocks, and neutral-colored stone help highlight plant structure instead of distracting from it. Landscape lighting also plays a major role in modern front yard design. Soft uplighting on ornamental grasses or accent trees creates depth during evening hours. A successful low-maintenance landscape usually follows 3 layers. The first layer includes structure plants like boxwood or agave. The second layer includes ornamental grasses or flowering shrubs. The final layer includes ground texture plants, such as blue fescue or creeping thyme. This layered approach keeps the landscape organized while reducing empty visual space. Mulching between plants also suppresses weeds and reduces watering needs. Minimalist front yard landscaping is less about decoration and more about balance. Strong structure, restrained plant selection, and intentional spacing create a landscape that stays attractive throughout the seasons. The best low-maintenance gardens are designed to mature gracefully over time. Instead of constantly replacing plants or redesigning the space, the landscape becomes stronger and more natural every year. With the right plant choices and simple materials, even a small front yard can create a calm and modern first impression. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy modern landscaping ideas and plant-focused garden design, subscribe for more garden inspiration and practical planting guides.